Good, man. Very good. How much do you weigh? 180. Like I said, I'm 155 pounds. All right. Let me show you something.
You got it, brother.
You got it.
Hopefully that'll be nice. So a display of power can be very effective to catch people's attention and things. And it's important not to focus on powerful things generally when it comes to living your life. You know, fear is our main enemy. You know, the media, they want us to be afraid of everything. You know, every time you log on the internet, you see somebody shooting black people. You see, you know, black people shooting people. Everybody's shooting each other. But when it comes to understanding force, you have to start at the source. You have to start in your mind. And it's just important to me to be able to portray that in people. So, you know, filling this thing up took a lot out of me today. That's why I'm breathing so hard. But it is important that I show this to y'all, and I'm glad you guys were here to witness this and everything. But I'm trying to think of one thing that one more thing I can show you, and I will keep my promise, by the way. Don't think I forgot. I just want to see somebody come up here and do it. So, what else? Be nice if I could. Oh yeah, and I do. I go to a gym in Douglasville, kickboxing gym, a mixed martial arts gym. Mixed martial arts basically is just gathering all martial arts and putting